100 spoken English sentences for beginner. Let's get started. वह बहुत बातूनी है. She is very talkative. She is very talkative. मैं जुबान का पक्का हूँ. I always keep my words. I always keep my words. राहुल ने वजन कम किया. Rahul lost weight. Rahul lost weight. मेरी बीवी बहुत खर्चा करती है. My wife is a spendthrift. My wife is a spendthrift. मैं परेशानी में हूँ. I'm in a fix. I'm in a fix. मुझे आजकल पैसे की दिक्कत है. I have financial problems these days. I have financial problems these days. उसकी एक आंख खराब है. He is blind of one eye. He is blind of one eye. यह एक अच्छा बहाना है. This is a good excuse. This is a good excuse. पागल मत बनो. Don't be mad. Don't be mad. वो आज पूरा दिन खाली था. He was idle today. He was idle today. नितिन तो अपनी मर्जी का मालिक है. Nitin has his own ways. Nitin has his own ways. देखते देखते भीड़ लग गई. A crowd gathered within a few seconds. A crowd gathered within a few seconds. यहीं रहो. Stay here. Stay here. मेरे हाथ में दर्द है. I have pain in my hand. I have pain in my hand. कैसे आना हुआ? What brings you here? What brings you here? क्या इससे कोई फर्क पड़ता है? Does it make any difference? Does it make any difference? तुम्हें चंडीगढ़ कैसा लगा? How did you find Chandigarh? How did you find Chandigarh? मैं शहर से बाहर था. I was out of town. I was out of city. I was out of station. रंजना अपने आंसू नहीं रोक पाई. Ranjana couldn't hold back her tears. Ranjana couldn't hold back her tears. वो अपनी हंसी नहीं रोक पाई. She couldn't hold back her laughter. She couldn't hold back her laughter. वो खुद को उससे बात करने से नहीं रोक सका. He couldn't hold himself talking to her. He couldn't hold himself talking to her. छोड़ना यार. Let it be. बात खत्म करो यार. Forget it. अरे भूल जाओ. Leave it. अभिमन्यु की तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. अभिमन्यु is unwell. अभिमन्यु is not well. कल मेरा एक्सीडेंट हो गया. I met with an accident yesterday. I met with an accident yesterday. ये सड़क कहाँ जाती है? Where does this road lead to? Where does this road lead to? तुमने मुझे 100 रुपए ज्यादा दे दिए. You have given me 100 rupees extra. You have given me 100 rupees extra. यह कपड़े तो बेकार क्वालिटी का है. This cloth is of inferior quality. This cloth is of inferior quality. आसमान बादलों से घिरा हुआ है. The sky is overcast. The sky is overcast. तुम अपनी उम्र से कम लगते हो. You look younger than your age. You look younger than your age. जब मैं तुम्हारी उम्र का था, when I was your age, when I was your age, मुझे नींद आ रही है. I'm feeling sleepy. I'm feeling sleepy. तुम्हारी आंखों में नींद भरी हुई है. You look drowsy. You look drowsy. मुझे भूख लग रही है. I'm feeling hungry. I'm feeling hungry. मुझे जोरों शोरों से भूख लग रही है. I'm famished. I'm famished. मुझे बुखार सा लग रहा है. I'm feeling feverish. I'm feeling feverish. तुम्हें शर्म आनी चाहिए. You should be ashamed. You should be ashamed. उसके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है? What is going on in his mind? What is going on in his mind? क्या वहां कुछ चल रहा है? Is something going on over there? Is something going on over there? पैसा उसके दिमाग पर हावी हो गया है. Money has got onto his mind. Money has got onto his mind. ये चर्चा में है. It is in talk. It is in talk. यह सिर्फ एक अफवाह है. It's just a rumor. It's just a rumor. तुम गलत हो. You are mistaken. You are mistaken. दोषी कौन है? Who is to blame? Who is to blame? तुम क्यों चिल्ला रहे थे? तुम क्यों चिल्ला रहे थे? Why were you shouting? Why were you shouting? ये मोबाइल धड़ल्ले से बिक रहा है. This mobile is selling like anything. This mobile is selling like anything. क्या तुम मुझसे डरते हो? Are you scared of me? Are you scared of me? मुझे सर दर्द हो रहा था. I had a headache. I had a headache. मेरी बाइक में पेट्रोल नहीं है. My bike has no fuel. My bike has no petrol. घर जाओ. अंधेरा बढ़ रहा है. Go home. It is getting dark. Go home. It is getting dark. ये लीजिए आपके पैसे. Here is your money. Here is your money. तुम कब से यहाँ हो? Since when have you been here? Since when have you been here? ये मेरे काबू से बाहर है. This is out of my control. This is out of my control. कमीज के बटन बंद करो. Button up the shirt. Button up the shirt. यह मेरे बस की बात नहीं है. It is beyond my competence. It is beyond my competence. तुमने मुझे दुविधा में डाल दिया है. You have put me in a dilemma. You have put me in a dilemma. जो हुआ अच्छा हुआ. Whatever happened was good. Whatever happened was good. यह तो होना ही था. It was bound to happen. It was bound to happen. तुम्हें यह कहाँ से मिला? Where did you get it from? Where did you get it from? बिल्कुल सच है. Quite true. Quite true. कितने अफसोस की बात है. How sad. How sad. फिर क्या दिक्कत है? Then what's the problem? Then what's the problem? करीब करीब एक महीना. About a month. About a month. इस मामले में मैं बहुत सख्त हूँ. I'm very strict in this matter. I'm very strict in this matter. वह बहुत शक्की है. He is very suspicious. उसे हल्का हल्का बुखार है. He has a mild fever. He has a mild fever. उसे कुछ कम खाना चाहिए. He should eat a little less. He should eat a little less. देखें वह कितने पानी में है. Let's see where he stands. Let's see where he stands. मेरा सिर चक्कर खा रहा है. My mind is reeling. My mind is reeling. आपका जवाब नहीं. You have no match. You have no match. वह बाल बाल बच गया. He had a narrow escape. He had a narrow escape. मैं आकाश पाताल एक कर दूंगा. I will move heaven and earth. I will move heaven and earth. उसने मेरा सिर नीचे कर दिया. He has brought me to shame. मुझे अखबार देना जरा. Please get me the newspaper. Please get me the newspaper. जिद्दी मत बनिए. Don't be stubborn. Don't be stubborn. तुम किस कॉलेज में पढ़ते हो? In which college do you study? In which college do you study? ठीक है, कुछ मिनट बात करते हैं. Okay, let's talk for a few minutes. Okay, let's talk for a few minutes. तुम हजारों में एक हो. You are one in a thousand. You are one in a thousand. तुम्हें याद है ना? You remember, don't you? You remember, don't you? सच कहने में हर्ज क्या है? What's the harm in telling the truth? What's the harm in telling the truth? अपना रास्ता नापो. Go away and mind your business. यह काम तुम्हारे लायक नहीं है. This work is not suitable for you. This work is not suitable for you. लड़का शादी के लायक है. The boy is fit for marriage. The boy is fit for marriage. मेरे पास कोई दूसरा विकल्प नहीं है. I have no other alternative. I have no other alternative. मुझे आपका कितना पैसा देना है? How much money do I owe you? How much money do I owe you? मैंने आपके 500 रुपए देने हैं. I owe you 500 rupees. I owe you 500 rupees. वह नाक से बोलता है. He has a nasal accent. He has a nasal accent. अब किसकी बारी है? Whose turn is it now? Whose turn is it now? यह बात उसके कान में डाल दो. Bring it to his notice. Bring it to his notice. अपना तो सारा हिसाब बिगड़ गया. All my calculations went wrong. All my calculations went wrong. आज बॉस ने उसे खूब खरी खोटी सुना दी. Today boss rebuked him severely. Today boss rebuked him severely. वह टस से मस नहीं हुआ. He did not budge an inch. He did not budge an inch. वह जिंदगी भर भटकता रहा. He has wandered aimlessly throughout his life. He has wandered aimlessly throughout his life. वह मेरे विरुद्ध है. He is against me. He is against me. मुझे अपने आप पर शर्म आती है. I am ashamed of myself. I am ashamed of myself. यह तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी. This dictatorship will not do. This dictatorship will not do. तुम्हारा जो मन करे कर सकते हो. You may do what you like. You may do what you like. मुसीबत ही मुसीबत है. Troubles are endless. Troubles are endless. मिलजुल कर रहो. Live in harmony. Live in harmony. That's it, guys. That's it for today. I hope you must have got something very valuable out of my video. And if you have really got something valuable out of my video, so I would request you please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon and do like my videos so that in future I can provide you such kind of valuable informative videos. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching.